Hello, hi, and welcome to Sandpaper. So, quite a few weeks gusi gol, more than 2 weeks goise of APSC prelims result, and I think 2 weeks are enough time for you to recuperate with whatever happened. And more intentionally, all of late ka ahisu to come talk to you because at that time, just after you have not received the result that you expected, যদি right after that মই আহো আৰু আপোনাক কিবা কিবি কওঁ so আপোনাৰ ইমোশনটোৱে আপোনাক ক'বাত কাৰেক্টলি এইটো শুনিবলৈ এলাউ নকৰিবও পাৰে বুলি মই ভাবিছিলো বিকজ আই থিংক লাইক এন এছপিৰেণ্ট মই এছপিৰেণ্ট থাকোঁতে এট দেট মুমেণ্ট মই অকলে থকাটো প্ৰেফাৰ কৰিলোহেঁতেন আই উড নট লাইক টু হেভ ৱাচড ভিডিঅ'জ আৰু মই কাৰো কথা শুনিব পচন্দ নকৰিলোহেঁতেন চ' মই নিজৰ আইডিয়াটোৱে নিজৰ ষ্টুডেণ্টসকলৰ ওপৰত প্ৰজেক্ট কৰি দিওঁ কি যিহেতু মোৰ কাৰো লগত কথা পাতিবলৈ তেতিয়া মন নগল হয় যদি মই নিজৰ প্ৰিলিমছত ছেটবেক এটা ফেচ কৰিলো হয় চ' দেৰ ইজ ন' পইণ্ট কি মই তেতিয়া আপোনালোকৰ লগত কিবা ধৰণৰ এটা কমিউনিকেশ্যন কৰিব ট্ৰাই কৰোঁ বিকজ এভৰিবডি ইজ ইম'চনেল আই would also would have been emotional যদি মোৰ ছেটবেক হ'ল হয় বাট ইটছ about টাইম যে we take control of the emotions because if we don't take control of our emotions and যদি আমি নিজৰ APSC প্ৰিলিমছৰ ছেটবেকৰ পৰা এতিয়া এটা কাৰেক্ট মোডলৈ নাযাওঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে we might feel lost we might feel directionless আমাৰ এনেকুৱা ফিল হ'ব পাৰে কি পতা নাহি where we are going we might feel directionless we might feel a lot of things we might feel like কিনো বেলেগটো কৰিম এতিয়া যে মানে what else can I do some of you might not feel like that some of you might feel like that some of you might have a regret যে কিবা সৰু এটা বস্তু ভুল হৈ থাকিলে সেইটো কাৰণে এনেকুৱা হ'ল some of you might be confused কি ঠিকেটো আছিলে পাবতো লাগিছিলে then what happened so there are a lot of things going on especially in the mind of an aspirant যোনে APSC prelims কাৰণে এটা setback face কৰিছে মাজতে last Friday actually 20 I think 7th হয় সেইটো 27th হতে বোধ হয় I also wrote an open letter to anyone any aspirant who has been facing this kind of directionlessness after APSC prelim setback in the Assam Tribune যদি আপোনালোকে দেখা নাই then catch hold of the campus newsletter যোনটো last Friday আহিছে actually Sandpaper comes every Friday with something new from our side to add to the civil service prep for the aspirants of Assam and Northeast in the campus newsletter of Assam Tribune. So last week, Friday, it was me who wrote an open letter. More or less, what am I going to say today will match that itself. But anyways, let's talk. Because যদি we do not talk, তেতিয়াহ'লে ক'বাত আমাৰ এনেকুৱা লাগি থাকিব কি ক'বাত যেন কিবা এটা লাগি আছে লাইক ইউ ন' something is not going out কিবা এটা আমি পাতিব খুজি আছো পাতিব পৰা নাই কিবা এটা এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰিব খুজি আছো এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰিব পৰা নাই চ' আই চিনচিয়াৰলি বিলিভ যে টুডে হোৱাট এভাৰ উইল হেভ এ কনভাৰচেশ্যন অফ এনেকুৱা একো কথা নাই যোনটো আপুনি আগৰ পৰা নাজানে অনেষ্টলি এনেকুৱা একোৱেই কথা নাই যোনটো আপুনি আগৰ পৰা নাজানে ইউ অলৰেডি ন' বাট আই এম ট্ৰাইং টু টক ইট ইনচাইড ইয়ৰ কনচায়েন্স আপোনাৰ মাইণ্ডত যাতে এইটো সোমাই কি আপুনি যি ভাবি আছে সেইটোৱে মই কৈ আছো চ' কাহি না কাহি মে বি দ্য থিংছ আৰ ৰাইট সেই এছপেক্টটো যাতে আপুনি ৰিয়েলাইজ কৰে সেইকাৰণে উই থট কি চলো লেটছ টক ইফ ইউ হেভ faced a setback in this year's APSC CCA prelims and you are feeling lost, let's talk. So, you didn't make it. আৰু এইটো মই আৰু সুগাৰ কোট কৰিবলৈ নাই এনিৱেজ মই সুগাৰ কোট নকৰো you know and যদি you have already seen a couple of videos about setback and failure from my side you already know যে for me the step one is acceptance okay for me the step one is acceptance মই accept কৰো আৰু যদি আপোনালোকে ইয়াৰ আগৰো এটা ভিডিঅ' আছে মই ফেইলিয়ৰৰ ফুল ফৰ্ম এটাও লিখিছিলোঁ তাত So number one step is acceptance. You will have to accept ki kobat na kobat gondogol hol, kobat na kobat murpan hol. Aru hey acceptance tour pisot hai we can start talking like matured people. নহলে তাৰ যদি আমি acceptance নোহোৱাকে কথা পাতো আপুনি অকল ব্লেম কৰিব আমুক ভুল তামুক ভুল গৰম লাগিলে খজতি হল গা বেয়া আছিলে এইবোৰে কৰি থাকিম আমি যদি আমি acceptance নকৰো CSAT ফেইল কৰিলো GS ভাল আছিলে এইবোৰে কৰি থাকিম আমি যদি আমি acceptance নকৰো So number one step is acceptance. যে আমাৰ ফালৰ পৰা কিবা এটা গণ্ডগোল হ'ল we really did make it and only then we can start talking. First, let's breathe. হেগলে আপোনালোকক 2 weeks সময় মোৰ ফালৰ পৰা we gave কি go on a trip, take some time, chill, breathe. আপুনি যদি ৰিজাল্টটো ওলোৱাৰ পিছত I understand the feeling, okay? যে আপোনাৰ এটা পিডিএফত আপুনি বাৰে বাৰে নিজৰ ৰোল নম্বৰটো সাৰ্চ কৰি আছে and it's not coming out. The feeling is very harrowing. মানে এইটো ইমান টেনশন নহয় কি প্ৰিলিমছ ক্লিয়াৰ নহল, এইটো টেনশন হয় যে আৰু 365 ডেজ মই কি হাসলটো থাকিব লাগিব, and that is very tiring. যদি এইটো আপোনাৰ ফাৰ্স্ট এটেম্প নাছিলে তেতিয়াহলে আপোনাৰ আগৰ সব এটেম্পবোৰ মনত আহিব যোনটো ধৰক আপোনাৰ নামটো পিডিএফত নাহিলে, যে এইটো এটেম্পটো গুচি গল নেকি, এইটো এটেম্পটো মই নোৱাৰিলো নেকি. That feeling hurts, okay? That feeling hurts. এইটো কথা নহয় কি এই পিডিএফটোত নাম নাহা কাৰণে I got sad. এই পিডিএফটোত নাম নাহা কাৰণে মোৰ আৰু এক বছৰ সোমাই গল, মোৰ আগৰ গোটেই বছৰৰ মেহনতটো কাম নাইকিয়া হৈ গল, মই আগত যাব নোৱাৰিলো, মোৰ যি প্লেনছ আছিল ৰিলেটেড টু দিস এক্সাম হেতু ফুলফিল হ'ব নোৱাৰিলে. বেড ফিলিং আহে হেবোৰ কথাৰ, এটা হেৰোইং ফিলিং, এটা এম্পটি ফিলিং আহিব হেতু কথাৰ. খালি এটাই বস্তু যে you are not alone, okay? You are not alone. 57,000 people gave the exam and 4,000 people are sitting for the exam. তার মানে 53,000 people are feeling the same as you. 53,000 people এইটোৱে ভাবি আছে কি আকৌ 365 days দিম নেকি. Another 53,000 people are thinking যে কি ভুল হল মই বুঝি নাপালোচোন, ভালে দেখোন কৰিছিলো. Some other people are feeling যে আচ্ছা মোৰ লাইফৰ গোলস বোৰ ৰখি গল দেখোন. Again this thing is happening with me. So you are not alone at all. There is a mass majority of people who are feeling exactly what you are. But not clear prelims doesn't define your worth. APSC, UPSC is not just an exam, it's a system. I hope you know about it by now. Etu aru moi kiman kom je yes, clearing an exam will not define your worth. Enuka nohoy ki apuni exam to clear korile hai you are very important and you are very like you know precious for the society, or apuni exam to clear no korile you are not precious for the society. It's not like that. Yes, a few of us do make it a point যে I will clear the exam and I will like you know a life to by agent to glory to pie. There is a glory associated, I will accept it. Junto glory to pie je exam or pisar, then I will be the most chamakta tara of my locality, I will be the most chamakta tara of my whole you know dynasty. We can have a feel like that. ঠিক আছে, যদি আমি পাস হৈ গলো we can bask in that glory. কিন্তু যদি আমি হেতু কোয়ালিফাই নকৰিলো তেতিয়া কিন্তু we will have to understand যে কোয়ালিফাই নকৰিলে মোৰ ওয়াৰ্থটো নাইকিয়া হৈ নাযায়, যে মোৰ কোনো মানুহ নহয়, মোৰ কোনো কামৰ মানুহ নহয়, এটু নহয় মোৰ প্ৰায় হোৱা নাই, মুতকে কম চুকাল ল'ৰা-ছোৱালী সাৰ্ভিসত সোমাই আছে, মোৰ জুনিয়ৰ সোমাই আছে, মই জানুৱে হে মানুহটোৱে পাস কৰিব নোৱাৰে তথাপিও পাস কৰি সোমাই আছে. সো এইবোৰ বস্তু ভাবি ভাবি don't define your worth. Rather than মানে because we are failing the exam আমি কেতিয়াবা নিজৰ ওয়ার্ডটো ডিফাইন নকৰো, আমি এনেকে ডিফাইন কৰি দিও কি আমুকে পাইছে ভুসুকে পাইছে মই পোৱা নাই, যদি তেওঁলোকো পাইছে মই পোৱা নাই my worth is by default lesser than them. এই কম্পাৰিজনটো পুৰা আমি কবাত mature individual হিচাপে ওপৰত উঠিব লাগিব. This is very obvious to understand that this is not just an exam, it's a system. Also this exam will not define your worth. এইটো বস্তু আমি বুজি পাই যাব লাগিব, and then only we'll be able to plan ahead. The real problem isn't failing. The real problem is what you do next that matters. Most give up, some blame the system, few reflect, reboot and rewrite. And if every other factor is in your favor, be in the third category. So this is first category, this is second category, and this is third category. So problem is not that you failed, like I said before. Problem is not that you failed. Problem is that what follows. Problem is what follows. The feelings that are followed, the actions that were followed, all those are what makes the decisions much more important and difficult also at the same time. যে আমি পাস নহলো, পাস নোহোৱাৰ পিছত ইমোশনবোৰ হ্যান্ডেল কৰিব ডিফিকাল্ট হৈ যায়, পাস নোহোৱাৰ পিছত যোনবোৰ আমি ডিসিশন লওঁ সেইবোৰো কৰিবলৈ প্ৰবলেম হৈ যায়. So what we have understood that there are generally three category of students. Number one, যোনে কয় কি মোৰ পা নহব, I am not giving it anymore. Number two are the ones who are blaming the system. The transparency নাই, কোনবাই কব কি খেলি মেলি হৈছে, কোনবাই কব ইতিয়াও গণ্ডগোল চলি আছে, কোনবাই কব কোনবা লাইক হাই এন্ড মানুহৰ হাতৰ থকা মানুহ সোমাইছে, কোনবাই কব কি এপিএসসি কোনো কামৰে নহয় সদায় একেটা. So that is called blaming the system. So যিমান দিন I have been in the system, at least I can say you this কি সিস্টেমে সদায় correct কামে কৰে. আমার কেতিয়াবা এনেকুৱা ফিল আহিব পাৰে যে সিস্টেম ইজ নট ওয়ার্কিং অ্যাকর্ডিং টু হোয়াট ইজ রাইট হোয়াট ইজ রং. যদি সিস্টেমৰ ফালৰ পৰা এৰৰ আহে system even corrects it. What is the concept of claim? আপোনালোকে তো ইউপিএসসিৰ এই প্ৰস্পেক্টটো নেদেখে, অলদো ইউপিএসসিৰো কাফি ক্ৰিটিচিজম হয় কি তেওঁলোকৰ আনসাৰ বিলাকৰ মাজত কিবা মিসম্যাচ আছে, বাট what APSC does, APSC is open for any correction if there is some correction required. তাৰ মানে they are keeping the avenue of accountability open. So এই blaming the system or বস্তুটোৰ পৰা ওপৰলৈ উঠিব লাগিব. The fact that কিবা নহল, CSET pass নহলো, the fact that কিবা হে হল, বহুত ফ্যাকচুয়াল আহিলে, the fact that ইমানবোৰ লিটাৰেচাৰৰ প্ৰশ্ন আহিছে মই নোৱাৰিম, বুজি পাইছো বস্তুবোৰ উইয়াৰ্ড হয় মাজে মাজে, নোহোৱা নহয়, কিন্তু হেতুৰ মাজতেতো ল'ৰা ছোৱালী পাছ কৰি আছে। So হেতুৰ মাজতে যোনবোৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালী পাছ কৰি আছে, we will have to take inspiration from them and we will have to not blame the system. A second category is the worst category. It's the worst category of candidate. आप बात ही नहीं कर सकते उनके साथ. You cannot talk to them. They will be like, मैं तो सही था, system गलत था. All these things, all these attitudes have to go for a toss. All these attitudes you have to put in a bucket and burn it. So second category of people, very difficult to handle. যদি 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 এনেকুৱা হয় কি আপোনাৰ every other factor is in favor, যে you are economically fine, economically you are fine, যে আপোনাৰ পেৰেণ্টছৰ সাপোৰ্ট আছে, বা এনেকুৱা হৈছে কি পেৰেণ্টছৰ সাপোৰ্ট কেতিয়াবা কেতিয়াবা নাথাকিবও পাৰে, আপোনাৰ ফ্ৰেণ্ডছৰ সাপোৰ্ট আছে, তাৰপিছত এনেকুৱা হৈছে কি you have the scope of taking more risk, you have the scope of taking more risk, you have the scope of dedicating more time, তেতিয়া yes, reflect, reboot and rise. I've got students from Akshay batch, jar statement bur mor etiao monot ase, they are giving mains this time. I am pretty confident that they will make it. So one of my prelims, one of my Akshay batcher student jo abar teo mains qualify nokori pela jeti ahisile, he gave me this statement je ma'am horor pora bahirle ulabo nwara hoisu. Still he was at a moment where he wanted to give up, nahi karna hai or prep, I will do something else. But then we talked, we built an ecosystem, we gave a support, he built a group, then with mutual benefit to each other, now today he gave the prelims, he's writing mains this time, and he's also dedicating his time for the prep of mains. So if every other factor is in your favor, if you have the right support group, if you have the right ecosystem, apnar finances or bahut besi tension lobo laga nai, if you have like you know your confidence has taken a hit but you know ki you can mentally back up it, তেতিয়াহলে I think you should reflect, reboot and rise. মই তেটো ক্ষেত্ৰত নকওঁ যদি এনেকুৱা হয় কি there is some deep financial issue. Honestly, till I started this startup, I had the privilege of not facing any financial issue. This is a pure privilege. This is a pure privilege of my parents. Juntu karone moi eta finances or tension lobo laga hua nasil. This is a privilege juntu moi acknowledge koru. But after starting this startup, I have understood ki finance is something juntu around a lot of people make a lot of decision, and finance around it if you're making a lot of decision is completely justified. So jodi enekwa hoy you're not in a financial situation where you can continue your prep, you are forced to take up some job, upay nai ghor cholabo lagibo, upay nai nijoke cholabo lagibo, then I will not tell you, I will not imply je taking the third step is the best step, hetu apuni best janibo. Although moi kobo paru for business perspective ahi jaok, but that's not the purpose of sandpaper. Purpose of sandpaper is to polish you till you become a better individual. I have also polished myself to become a better individual, but the fact that you have to make a decision whether you want to give up and go for an alternative, you want to go for your plan B, or you want to blame the system, wo to karna hi nahi hai, or you want to reflect, reboot and re-rise, that is on you. So it is completely on you what you want to do. And yaar jonto litmus test hoy whether you want to go ahead or not, jodi enuka hoise, like I keep saying, the concept of do or die attempt. I hope till now you remember or you know about this concept of do or die attempt. This is the litmus test. Jodi sob bostu conducive or everything is in your favor, everything is conducive, not an issue, everything is in your favor. Tar pisot jodi enekwa hoise je your last attempt was the best attempt of your life, apuni sob mock test dise, apuni gute current affairs saise, apnar static or revision dubar complete hoisile, apuni mock test ot bhal marks o pai asile, your accuracy is fine, your techniques are fine, apuni sob bhalke korisile, everything was done right, still you couldn't clear prelims, tetia hole third factor tor apuni ahibo na nai, that will be your wish. Kintu jodi apunar do or die attempt etu nohoy, You know that you were not dedicated enough. You know that you could have done better. You know that you spent too much time on newspaper analysis जिससे कोई फायदा हुआ नहीं. You know that you have not given your mock test. You know you took a lot of unsolicited advice and you took a lot of you took a lot of non-credible advices. Then you went ahead in a, you know that you have not touched the main books. You know you booklet के according आप चले गए. Then I think that is not your do or die attempt, and you deserve one good do or die attempt before you decide whether you want to go for plan B or you want to remain in your plan A. Okay? So, if you have decided that you want to be in the third category, which is reflecting, rebooting, and revising, I encourage honest self audits. Okay? Because people will only speak truth to themselves. You need to speak truth to yourself. Okay, if you are not truthful to yourself, then my dear friend, your life is going to be very difficult, because apuni tetia apuni real directionless hobo, because apuni nijoke direction dibole allow kora nai, apuni to nijore solar sokot patti bani thoi dise. So if you are not truthful to yourself, that is going to be a problem. You don't have to tell me muk apuni bahane bas ji bahana maribo lage mari thakok, because if you tell me and you are feeling uncomfortable, then lie to me. Problem nine. But the fact that you need to know yourself that what went wrong, that can only be done through honest self audits. Moi keneke koro self audit? I have this small diary, and whatever I feel like I write. It is like journaling. Okay, it is like journaling. And moi jodi nijor thoughts keteba himan clearly truthful hobo nuaru, my thoughts are trying to tell me some other story. My thoughts are trying to distract me. When I put my thoughts into words on a piece of paper, I'm generally 200% true to myself. So, আপোনালোকে journaling try কৰিব পাৰে, আৰু journalingক আপুনি লিখিব পাৰে কি what you're feeling, what according to you went wrong, আৰু কি আমি ঠিক কৰিব পাৰিলোহেঁতেন, কি ঠিক কৰিব নোৱাৰিলোহেঁতেন. That can only be done through honest self audits. কি সুধিব পাৰে নিজকে কি did I manage my time poorly? মই বেছি মোবাইল টিপিলো নেকি? বেছি মোবাইল টিপিলো, মোৰ কেতিয়াবা আজিকালি ফিল হয় কি মই বেছি মোবাইল টিপিছো, কি মই বেছি মোবাইল টিপিছো নেকি, কি যোনটো মৰ্নিং 7 AM পৰা 9 AM লৈকে স্লট আছিলে সেইটো কি মই ক্লাছ কৰিব পাৰিলোহেঁতেন নেকি? মই কি মোবাইল টিপি টিপি টাইমটো ৱেষ্ট কৰি দিলো নেকি? Early morning, did I go to gym too many times? Did I want to, where my priorities misplaced? মই কি ৰাতিপুৱা 5 ঘণ্টা জিম আৰু গধূলি 5 ঘণ্টা জিম গৈ আছো নেকি? প্ৰিপাৰেচনৰ টাইমত ইমান টাইম জিমত দিয়া নেচেসাৰী হয় জানো? Am I managing my time poorly? Am I giving too much time to my boyfriend or girlfriend? মোৰ বয়ফ্ৰেণ্ডৰ বহুত টাইম নাথাকে, so গোটেই ৰাতি সি কথা পাতিব পাৰে, মই কি ৰাতি বহি বহি গোটেই ৰাতি নিজৰ বয়ফ্ৰেণ্ডৰ লগত চেট কৰি থাকিলো নেকি, যোনটো ৰাতি মই গৈ পেলাই পঢ়া শুনা কৰিব পাৰিলোহেঁতেন? Am I doing my time management wrong? মই কি unnecessary trips-ত গৈ আছো নেকি because মোৰ friends-এ গৈ আছে? All my friends are going on trips and they are asking me to go and I'm accompanying them. মই কি হেবোৰ টাইম ৱেষ্ট কৰি আছো নেকি? Am I hitting pubs unnecessarily? Am I going to go out and eat unnecessarily? মই কি নিজৰ poor time management কৰি আছো নেকি? And you will get to know যে 80% of the problem lies in this poor time management. क्योंकि दिनत থাকে 24 ঘণ্টা. You have 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours যদি আমি চাব যাওঁ, শুলো 7 ঘণ্টা 7 hours, তাৰপিছত গা চা ধোৱা মেলা কাপোৰ চাপোৰ মেলা এইবিলাক কৰিবলৈ লাগিলে 3 hours একচেপ্ট কৰি ললো. অবভিয়াছলি আপুনি 1 ঘণ্টা যদি টাইম লগাই গা ধুবলৈ, তথাপি 1 ঘণ্টা ইয়ৰ চৰ্জৰ কাৰণে ইউ আৰ দেৰ. তাৰপিছত আপুনি ধৰক মিছেলেনিয়াছ, ইফ ইউ আৰ ৱৰ্কিং প্ৰফেচনেল, চ' 8 to 9 hours গ'ল, হয়নে? কিমান হ'ল? 10 plus 19 থাকে কিমান? 24. তথাপিওতো 5 hours থাকিলে না, क्या किया उन 5 घंटों का? ঠিক আছে, অলপ চিল কৰিলো আমি 2 hours আমি অলপ চিল কৰিলো, 2 hours তো মুভি চাই ল'ব পাৰিলে, তথাপিও তো 3 hours থাকিলে না. 3 hours का क्या किया? कुछ तो किया. যদি আপুনি কনসিস্টেন্টলি দিনত 3 hours কেও পঢ়ি গৈ আছে এভৰি ডে টু 365 days, imagine the improvement you are going to make. Because you are actually going to make improvement if you study 3 hours a day. আমি যোনবোৰ ওয়ান অন ওয়ান মানে কিবা কৰো, মেন্টৰশিপ কৰো নিজৰ ষ্টুডেন্টছ সকলক, যোনে ধৰক 1 to 2 months ইনটু প্ৰেপ সোমাইছে, মই এডভাইসে কৰো কি তেওঁলোকে 3 বা 4 hours-তকৈ বেছি পঢ়িব নালাগে. সো 3 hours যদি আপুনি সব বস্তু কৰি কাটিও দিয়ে, 9 ঘণ্টা ইউ আৰ মানে কিবা অনলি, তাৰ ভিতৰত 2 hours লগাইও দিয়ক, বোলে আপুনি 11 hours ইউ আৰ ডুইং ট্ৰাভেলিং, ইউ আৰ চিলিং অৰ হোৱাটএভাৰ, তথাপিও তো 3 ঘণ্টা থাকিলে, উস 3 ঘণ্টে কা ইউজ কৰো. এইটো মই মানিবলৈ ৰেডিয়ে নহয় কি সময় নাই. ইয়েছ, এটা কেটেগৰীৰ এস্পিৰেণ্টৰ সময় নাথাকিব পাৰে, হু আৰ নিউ মাদাৰ্ছ. Okay, who are new mothers, they have to take care of the baby কাৰণে সেই 3 hours to তেওঁলোকৰ নাথাকিব পাৰে, যোনটো 7 hours তেওঁ হয় সেইটো নাথাকিব পাৰে। নিউ মাদাৰ্ছৰ কথা মই কোৱা নাই। বাকি every category of aspirant, whether full time or working, should have a minimum of 3 hours at hand for their time management, and for that you need to make time management properly। lack of mock practice, बोल बोल के मैं पागल हो जाती हूँ। इतिया है कि नहीं, एक बार हमारा मेन शॉट, whoever is not writing their mock practice, I am individually pointing out and giving कामो। We do that in sandpaper। आए हो तो लिखना पड़ेगा, নহলে मैं कामो দি দিম। That is what we do। আৰু যেতিয়া আমি mock practice ৰ কথা লিখিছিলো, we had about 45 tests, I guess I forgot in prelims, আৰু we had about 400 students who enrolled। Hardly 100 people were appearing for the test, बाकी 300 लोग तो फलान में, they were not appearing any। I do not know why। মেবি তেওঁলোকে ভাবিছিলে কি তেওঁলোক দিব আৰু তেওঁলোক টাইম দিব নোৱাৰিলে, और दे थॉट कि ठीक है स्ट्रेट अवे वी विल गो फॉर द एग्जाम एंड विल गिव इट, बट वैसा नहीं होता है। वीक কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স, টু মাচ এনালাইসিস অন নিউজ পেপাৰ এনালাইসিস। দিনে ৰাতি আমি বহি পেলাই 1 ঘণ্টা 3 ঘণ্টাটো আছে মোৰ হাতত, তাৰ 1 ঘণ্টা মই কৰি আছো নিউজ পেপাৰ এনালাইসিস। আহিছে 23টা কুৱেশ্যন, তো মই বাকি ষ্টেটিকত কেতিয়া ধ্যান দিম? কিন্তু ইমান হাল্লা নিউজ পেপাৰ ইমান হাল্লা, তো মই কারেন্ট এফেয়াৰ্সক অৰিজিনেল ষ্টেটিক সোৰ্সত চোৱাতকে মই ডেইলি টাইম ৱেষ্ট কৰিলো, তাৰপিছত গৈ পেলাই মানে মই 23টা কুৱেশ্যন পাৰিলো, কিন্তু বাকি টাইমত নোৱাৰিলো ন। Did it happen to you? That you'll have to find out। Over focus on mains before clearing prelims। এনেকুৱা হৈছে কি you are doing a lot of answer writing at a time when you didn't have to do so। যদি আপুনি answer writing কৰিব খোজে, মই actually এটো আগতেও কৈছো, in a time period of 12 months, your preferred time for prelim should be from January to June, যেতিয়া আপোনাৰ exam হয়। প্ৰথম 6 months that is not a time to concentrate on your mains at all। যদি আপুনি pro হয় prelims, like you have qualified your prelims 2-3 times, তেতিয়া বেলেগ কথা। তেতিয়া I have seen my students preparing till Feb, আর February উলোৱা notification উলোৱাৰ পিছত they were preparing for their prelims। But if you are not a pro person in prelims, তেতিয়া হলে January পা জুনলৈকে you will have to prepare for prelims। এইখিনি টাইমত যদি আপনি your emphasis is too much on answer writing, then it might not be the correct way। And did you ignore PYQs and patterns? That also you need to see yourself through honest self-confidence। Now, do you want to take your plan B? Do the litmus test। Litmus test কি আছিলে? The litmus test of do or die attempt। A litmus test কৰি লওক of do or die attempt, whether it is right, whether it is wrong, what should be done, what should be done, মোৰ 100% right হৈছিলে নেকি। আৰু এই do or die attempt আপুনি দিছে নাই তো কেনেকৈ গম পাব? এইটো গম পাব honest self audit di pelai। Okay, so honest self audit or do or die attempt diar pisot you make a decision whether you want to go for your plan A or you want to go for plan B। You need to make a decision on your own। If you don't want to continue, you can do a variety of things। You can go for an MBA, join a think tank, work with NGOs, etc., or just go for corporate। Just go for corporate। একো issue নাই। যদি এনেকুৱা হয় कि you don't want to continue with this, there is no load nahi lena hai, there is no load, not necessary। Maybe there is something else in destiny for you, who knows? Maybe something which is even better, making you more peace of mind, maybe more peace of time as well if we make it a term। So if you don't want to work with your plan A, you decide very well whether you want to go for your plan B। Your plan B can be anything। মই just 2-3টা নামহে কৈছো। maybe your plan B is going and being a photographer, go for your plan B। maybe your plan B is to go and try your luck out in being an actor, go for plan B। কিন্তু if you don't want to continue, you don't need to feel any burden। একো burden feel কৰিব নালাগে কি parents এ বহুত পইচা খৰচা কৰিলে, oh now I have to do this। I get it, parents এ পইচা খৰচা কৰিছে, I get it। আপুনি নিজৰ তাৰ পৰা পইচা খৰচা কৰিছে, I get it। কিন্তু if you are not happy with it, if you think this is not your forte, if you think this was your do or die attempt and still you couldn't do it, go for plan B। I will try to make a video on more of plan B, but go for plan B if you're not happy। But if you're happy, you have it in you, your situations are conducive, apuni jane ki you are just this much this much close to the crossing line, apuni jane ki apna do or die attempt apni etialoke poa nai, then you go for plan B। Go for plan A। It's time to stop repeating old mistakes and start upgrading your game। apuni decide kori lele you had 2 options, you want to go for plan A or you want to go for plan B। You had 2 options। বি ডিসাইড কৰিলে তো বি এ ডিসাইড কৰিলে কিন্তু যদি এ ডিসাইড কৰিছে that you want to continue in this prep তেতিয়াহলে কিন্তু now things are going to be little different. You have to deal with things differently. ইমান ইজিলি নহব যিহেতু এটা বাটেদি গৈ if this is the area, if this is APSC, you went some way and you didn't reach, আপনি dead end পাই গল তেতিয়াহলে now you will have to change the direction of your road. বাৰে বাৰে এটাই কাম কৰি থাকি বেলেগ এটা ৰিজাল্ট এক্সপেক্ট কৰিলে আমি নহব. If you are not doing your job, if currently যোনটো আপুনি plan follow কৰি আছে, whatever schedule you are following, whatever resource you are following, if they are not working out for you, change it. এইটো মই বাৰে বাৰে কওঁ. You cannot do the same things again and again and expect a different result. এটো মোৰ কোট নহয়. This is something you will get in the internet. যে আমি একেটাই ভুল ৰাস্তাৰে গৈ গৈ ডেড এন্ড পাই আছো আৰু ডেড এন্ডত পাই পেলাই আমি ভাবি আছো আৰে ভাই মই এপিএসসি কিয় গৈ পোৱা নাই কেনেকে গৈ পাবা your direction itself is wrong, you are taking the wrong rasta. So time is there to stop your repeating your old mistakes. It is high time that you need to stop repeating your mistakes and you need to start upgrading your game. If you want to stop repeating your old mistakes by yourself or you want to start upgrading your game by yourself or if you want to take our help, we are there for you. So idhar ke baad I will tell you how we can help you in upgrading your game, how we can help you to stop repeating your old mistakes. If you want to do self study, fine, do it by yourself, but just stop repeating the old mistakes. Wahi baat hai jiu ebar kori pele apunar pholodai nohol, you will have to change that and you will have to do something very else. Okay, now you don't need motivation, you need discipline. This is for people who are doing it by themselves. For the one who are joining us, we will do it for you. But if you are doing it on your own, then you have to show up every day. You have to track your mistakes. You have to study for the future you, not the past results. And remember, most toppers were once disappointed aspirants. You have to show up every day. You have to be consistent. এনেকুৱা হ'ব নালাগে যে এদিন you are in a mood to study and next day you are not in a mood to study. This is not a mood game. ইয়াত moodৰ স্কোপেই নাই for that matter. যোনটো কন্টেষ্টত আপুনি নামিছে তাত আপুনি mood show কৰাৰ কোনো স্কোপ নাই. So if you want to be where the successful aspirants are, you will have to show up every day. That's required. You will have to track your mistakes. যে কি গলত হল কি সহি হল, you need to track your mistakes. You need to study for the future you, not the past results. जी হৈ গল ভুল যাও বাদ গই you need to study for the future you and হেতু আপনি খদাই মনত ৰাখিব লাগিব. Understand কৰক কি a lot of people are not the first attempt people, a lot of people are not even the second attempt people. There are a lot of people who have qualified in their third attempt, a lot of people have qualified in their fourth attempt. Amar batch there were people who have qualified in 7th 8th attempt. So if you want to do it full-heartedly, we will have to understand that failure is a part of the journey. Most toppers were disappointed aspirants one. Most toppers were people who have failed before. So ami okol first attempt students kini phale side first attempt officers kini pai. I am also a first attempt officer, but UPSC I have given more than one attempts. So attempt kenuka feel hoy, attempt kenuka manor setback hoy, that I get to that I know. কিন্তু আমি we cannot just look at the first attempt people and think যে তেওঁলোকৰটো হৈ গল and আমাৰ কেনেকে হ'ব, this will not work out. No, most of the successful people, most of the successful officers are not first attempt officers. They are second attempt, third attempt, fourth attempt, fifth attempt officers. So attempt ka baat chhod do. Once you can put the designation at the end of your name, you can put ACS, you can put ALRS, you can put APS, you can put anything else, doesn't matter, your attempt is not written there. So point is, if you have if you have the jazba to work for it, if you can show up every day, if you can correct your mistakes, if it can work for you, not the past you, then I think you should take the chance to reboot yourself. So what now from our side? What can we do for you? If you want to do it for yourself, bata diya already that you have to show up every day, track your mistakes, study for the future, and most toppers were once disappointed aspirants that we have to remember. What we have brought for you, abhi dekhenge. So Sandpaper Academy for Civil Services is announcing its reboot batch. For August 2025. যদি আপুনি APSC 2024 প্ৰিলিমছত setback face কৰিছে and you are planning to give your APSC 2025 not from a position of weakness but a position of strength, and you're not starting from scratch because আপোনাৰ preparation at the point or level আছে. If you're not starting from scratch and you want to start from strength, then APSC 2025 reboot batch is for you. क्या फायदा है? If you, because আপোনাৰ ওপৰত মই assume কৰিছো that we have to do with a little bit less effort, and you have been loyal students to our academies, you have been with us associated somehow in some paid event, 30% off is for you guys. And if you are somewhere in Telegram, if you're in there from our YouTube subscribers, then we have additional loyalty rebate for you. But rebate is not the point. The point is, in reboot batch, we are going to understand what went wrong. We are going to understand what went wrong. আমাৰ এনেকুৱা এটা আগতে প্ৰিলিমছ কোৱালিফাইড বেচ এটা আছিলে ফৰ মেইনছ পিপল, we call it Akshay. And this year, Akshay batch or 99% people আকৌ prelims pass কৰিছে, and they are working properly well for their mains part. So what we had in Akshay, that we targeted every individual's issue ki apunar ki problem ase, apunar ki problem, and we had the base analysis test, aru he base analysis test to piece teolokor strength or upor ami work korisu. Today I am in a position where I can tell each student or ki weaknesses, and we are poking each of them in their particular issue. We are hoping to start the reboot batch in the line of Akshay. Reboot batch will be for students who have done their preparation from their side and they are feeling lost still, and they want to take some guidance. This is a foundation course, okay? This is a foundation course, but we are calling it reboot, where we are expecting je olapan base apuni banai lese, and my job is to build your structure over that foundation. So what we are planning to do, we don't take a mass, আমি কম ল'ৰা ছোৱালী ৰাখো, so that you can have time with me, you can have time with Gyandeep, with Brishti, with Surajita, with Pushpanjali, with Chainika, with Kaustav, with Nishant. You have time with all of them. You can sit with them, you can understand kya chal raha hai. যদি আপোনালোকৰ problem হৈছে, we are even allowing our students to do classes twice, thrice. July mein bhi kar lo, June mein bhi kar lo, August mein bhi kar lo, September. We allow that because the point is, in 1 year আপোনাৰ মাইণ্ডত বস্তুবোৰ ফিটিং হ'ব লাগে, and আপোনাৰ ষ্ট্ৰেংথৰ একৰ্ডিং আমি ৱৰ্কআউট কৰিব লাগিব. So if you want individual attention, if you want to be guided by actual officers who have been through what you are going through, if you want to strengthen your foundation because you understood that your foundation was not strong enough to take you past the prelims, I think reboot batch is your answer. Aru point is that we can also work it out through YouTube, but YouTube mein kitna hi bata sakungi main. If you're there with me in front of you, if you write an answer and see, if I look at your mock test, if I ask you a question and not able to answer, তেতিয়া মই বুজি পাওঁ কি আপোনাৰ মাইণ্ডত কি চলি আছে, until I understand কি আপোনালোকৰ মাইণ্ডত ইন্ডিভিজুৱেলি কি চলি আছে, তেতিয়ালৈকে মই এটা প্ৰপাৰ টেইলাৰ মেড সলিউশন আনসাৰ আপোনালোকে বনাব নোৱাৰো. So I ask you all to consider coming to reboot batch, because I think আমি এটো for the first time কৰিছো. I don't know for the rest of Assam, but we are doing it for the first time. আমি Akshay batch আনিছিলো for the people who are in the loop of mains, but for the first time reboot batch আমি launch কৰিছো for the people who are stuck in the game of prelims. So I think you should not delay joining us anymore, and we are very happy to find the quality of students that we are getting. We are getting mentors of other academies joining us. We are getting officers who are already in APC joining us. We have got people who are tired of other institutes and coming joining us. Itu my chest thumping kore kwa nai. When I see the category of people who have chosen sandpaper, maybe it's not a huge crowd, but it is quality. It's gold. When I look at the answers, I understand it issue ase, but it also it humbles me down. If this category of students are trusting me, then I have to give my best shot. Jiman dhorok moi 100% kori asilu, etia moi 300% kori asu. I'm not even allowing Gyandeep to check the papers because he gives good marks. I give less marks, so I am doing it myself. So I am very thankful of your faith on me. It's not a crowd, it's quality, it's gold, and we intend to keep it like that because birds of same feather flock together. Very quality students are putting faith in us. We are expecting more and more students who put emphasis on quality over quantity and blind marketing to put their faith on us. So we are thankful for the faith that you have put on us for over a year. Amar ek bochor anniversary hoi gol, actually celebration koriboi lagisile, moi homoy poa nai with all these things going on. But APSC 2025 or karone reboot batch আমি প্রথমবাৰৰ কাৰণে launch কৰি আছো, and if I would have been someone who's disappointed by whatever my performance was, I don't think I would have missed it, and I don't think you should miss it also. Okay, so chalo then. I think you understood what I wanted to say. If you want to do it by yourself, I told you how to do it. You want to get our help, also we can do it, because the only help of a coaching center is that we can show you the right direction. And basic एक क्यों help हो हमारे लोगों को, because we know the right direction, we went in right direction. So वही बात है. I think you have understood by now. And if you just want to discuss something about your prelims and not necessarily come for admissions or so, but you want to discuss something out, you want to come and talk, then please drop in our office. यहाँ है office. We don't have to fill a form and wait for 15 days to meet us. We don't do that. সেইকাৰণে আমি we are keeping the population very less. So আমি যোনটো limited seat বুলি কওঁ, আমি then limited seat বুলি actually কওঁ. Actually limited seat হয়. So we are starting our August batch as reboot batch, and I think you should join us for the best results. वही बोलना था. So you want to come and visit me or Gyandeep or anybody else to have a analysis of what you do in your prelims, feel free to drop by. And till you come in, like, share, subscribe, Sandpiper Academy for Civil Services. I will see you in the academy. Thank you.